Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can use geolocation scripts for getting the exact location of the target. So over here in the Windows, I am going to use Zenmap. So my target is has usual scanme.nmap.org. So let's give it a scan and wait for few minutes and we are able to see the output. So over here, two things are going to be delivered. The very first thing, it's going to give me the information about the geolocation. The second, it will going to give me the exact hope for this specific port, that is port 80. It has taken me to the target organization. Right now, you can see that port 80 is open and its services is HTTP. And it takes 24 hop, exactly 24 hop to reach to the target organization. The first part, it gives the whole script results. So this result is nothing but it's a scripting result, that is geolocation. It's talking about the geolocation. So over here we have four columns, that is hop, RTT, that is routing time, address and geolocation. Now it also gives me the time, that how many times it takes to go to the next address and what is the geolocation. So the last geolocation over here, that is in hop 9, that is India, Maharashtra, and after that it has suddenly changes its location to Canada, United States, and then last but not the least 24, the last hop, has given me the information about the target, its IP address, and the exact location, that is United States, California. Next, it also gives me a detailed structure information about the port 80. So here it's not giving me the geolocation, it's only giving me the servers, the addresses, and the hop time. It takes to connect to the scanme.nmap.org, that is my target organization. And this whole scan takes me, or you can say this whole scan takes the time, that is 13.95 seconds. The advantage why I am using the Zenmap for this specific scanning is that you can exactly see the topology. Over here in the topology section, you can see that this is the local host, or you can say my address. From this address till the target, how I am reaching. So it's a graphical way that you can look for the location, how it is reaching to the target organizations, and the labeling also. In the host details, you will get the more detailed information if there are any information which is not over here. So there are ports which we have specified, that is port 80, TCP, open, HTTP. Also, you can search for the closed port. Suppose we have to check whether port 445 is open, closed, and we can reach it or not. So we can check for that also. But the target is same, scanme.nmap.org. So the location might be the same, but the trace route will depend for the port 445, not for the port 80. So we got the output, and now the trace route, as I said, we are scanning for the port 445. So 445 port is closed and is used by the service, that is Microsoft DS, and it takes only 20 hops to reach to the target. 20 hops to reach to the target. The location is same, as I earlier said, location might be same, but the routing time will be less or more because the port has been changed. So in port 80 we have 24 hops, in port 445 we have only 20 hops, that is, and it's take 14.45 seconds, but the port is closed, so we cannot make any communication. So I hope you got the idea that how you can check for the location and which port is available and how fast that ports help you to connect to the target. So use this information to gather more information about the target and enhance your skill. Thank you so much.